Today's video is about 7 drinks that burn belly fat. There are many different ways to lose weight. You can go on a low-carb diet or keto, for example. You can also focus on intermittent fasting. But something that might be overlooked is what you drink throughout the day. The drinks we consume can be packed with nutrients and calories, but oftentimes without filling us up. Or they could be full of sugar and refined ingredients that not only do not fill us up, but they actually make us hungrier and they cause us to gain more body fat. So if you want to lose your belly fat and get a slim and healthy body, then you should definitely consider what you're drinking. Keep in mind that while these drinks can help accelerate your fat loss results, it won't happen overnight. You must combine these drinks with a healthy diet plan and a good workout routine for optimal results. So make sure to stay on this channel so you don't miss out on future videos where we will explain the best diet and workout plans. The first drink that burns away belly fat is homemade electrolyte water. Electrolytes are minerals that have an electric charge, and they are essential for many bodily functions like hydration and muscle contractions. An electrolyte imbalance can affect your body's pH levels, which can lead to excess fat storage. On the other hand, getting enough electrolytes can help improve your metabolism and aid in the removal of toxins. A very simple way to ensure that you're getting enough electrolytes every day is to make your own electrolyte water at home. This is actually one of my favorite methods because you control exactly what goes into your body. And it's also much cheaper than buying commercial pre-made electrolyte drinks. All you need to do is take half of a ripe avocado, 2 cups of berries that could be mixed berries, or any of your favorites, 1 organic lemon, 1 organic lime, and blend everything together with 6 cups of water. I recommend that you add some ice cubes as well to make it nice and refreshing. Make sure to stir it well and then enjoy. If you want to sweeten the drink a little bit, I recommend adding a few drops of stevia. Berry-flavored stevia is my favorite. Now I want you to try this for 3 days and notice how you feel. Do you feel more energized? Do you feel less hungry? You find yourself working out with more intensity? All of these are signs that your body is now absorbing the right amount of electrolytes, and it's functioning at its best. Another drink that can help you burn off belly fat is apple cider vinegar. Drink apple cider. Vinegar has acetic acid, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This leads to lower blood glucose levels, which is important since high blood sugars can lead to fat accumulation. Plus, apple cider vinegar can also reduce inflammation. So take 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and mix it with 1 glass of water. You can drink this before, during, or after your meals. It's totally up to you. I usually prefer to drink mine before a meal because it helps to suppress my appetite and it also aids digestion. You can also add a few drops of stevia to sweeten it a little bit. The third drink on our list is a smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to get a lot of nutrients in just 1 glass. Blend together bananas, spinach, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, berries, and almond milk. Let me tell you why each ingredient is important for fat loss. First, bananas are rich in potassium, which is known to eliminate salt from the body. The reason why this works for losing weight is because you also get rid of water retention, which is often caused by excess salt in your diet. Next, spinach is loaded with magnesium, which helps convert food into energy. Without enough magnesium, your body will store excess energy as fat instead of using it as fuel. Then we have Greek yogurt, which is high in protein. Protein can help keep you feeling full and satisfied after consuming it, leading to reduced calorie intake. Chia seeds are full of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full for longer. Finally, berries are full of antioxidants, which have been shown to help with weight loss by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. As for almond milk, it contains healthy fats that can help curb your appetite and provide you with long-lasting energy. So if you want to lose weight, you may want to consider having a smoothie for breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. The fourth drink that can help you lose belly fat is green tea. Matcha green tea is actually one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants have been linked to many health benefits, including fat loss. In fact, studies show that those who drink green tea regularly are more likely to lose weight than those who do tea. Green tea can help boost your metabolism, which leads to more calories being burned. It also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, both of which can contribute to weight gain. So if you're looking for a delicious, healthy drink to help you lose weight, look no further than green tea. Simply brew green tea using filtered water and avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. You can drink it hot or cold. Just make sure you enjoy it in moderation. No, 5 is a drink that many people don't know about. It's called wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass is a type of grass that is often used as a natural remedy for various health issues, including digestive problems, skin disorders, and even certain types of cancer. And although more research is needed to fully understand its benefits, there is evidence that suggests it can also aid in weight loss. Wheatgrass juice contains a compound called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is known to help detoxify the body by extracting harmful toxins. Toxins often cause inflammation and weight gain, so by removing them, you can reduce your overall body fat percentage. Additionally, wheatgrass juice is high in nutrients such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy body, and they can help improve your immune system and energy levels. To reap the benefits of wheatgrass juice, simply blend a handful of fresh wheatgrass with 1 cup of water and strain the mixture before drinking. Wheatgrass juice is best consumed on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack. Moving on. 6 is the coconut water. Coconut water is a popular beverage made from the liquid inside young coconuts. It has gained attention for its potential health benefits, including its ability to aid in weight loss. Coconut water is a good source of electrolytes, which are minerals that help regulate fluid balance and muscle function in the body. Electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and preventing muscle cramps, which can occur when you're exercising or following a low-carb diet. In addition to its electrolyte content, coconut water also contains fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, leading to reduced calorie intake. The fiber in coconut water also aids digestion and helps maintain healthy bowel movements. Furthermore, coconut water has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is often linked to weight gain and chronic diseases, so reducing it can be beneficial for overall health and weight management. However, it's important to note that coconut water also contains natural sugars. While these sugars are less processed than added sugars found in many other beverages, it's still important to consume coconut water in moderation to avoid consuming too many calories. You can use it as a replacement for sugary drinks like soda or juice. And last, but certainly not least, kombucha tea. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that has gained popularity in recent years for its unique taste and potential health benefits. It's often referred to as a healthy alternative to soda or other sugary beverages, and it can actually aid in weight loss. Kombucha tea contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption, which can indirectly support weight loss efforts. Probiotics can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often associated with weight gain. Additionally, kombucha tea contains antioxidants that help protect the body against oxidative stress and free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation and disease. By reducing oxidative stress, kombucha tea may help improve overall health and support weight loss goals. Moreover, kombucha tea has a slightly acidic nature due to the presence of acetic acid. Acetic acid has been shown to aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing calorie intake. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent fat storage and promote the breakdown of fat for energy. Since you've made it to the end of this video, I have a special gift for you. I'm going to share with you a full 7-day meal plan that includes all the recipes that I talked about today. With this meal plan, you'll be able to lose a significant amount of weight and belly fat in just 1 week. This meal plan is designed to help you burn fat while feeling great. It's easy to follow and anyone can do it. So click the link below and grab this 7-day meal plan right now. Remember that the sooner you start taking action, the sooner you will achieve your dream body.